Hello, in this tutorial we are going to consume an API from C#.NET Core application. Let's open Visual Studio 2022. Let's create a new web application. Here I have one. I don't have anyone. Create a new project. Create ASP.NET Core Web API. Here, web application 1. Next, we are going to use .NET 8. Create. Okay, here we have the application. Now we need to create a new service. Let's create here a new folder, the folder services. Let's create a new class, service, dummy service. All right, let's create an interface here. EI dummy service. All right, public async get. Void get. Copy this. We need to paste it here in the interface. So now we need to consume an endpoint. Let's find one dummy get endpoint, dummy JSON. Here no, here no. Okay, here we have one dummy endpoint with get method. Let's copy this, copy this address. Let's write here in a variable the URL. Now we need to create a try-catch block with exception. We need to use using var client HTTP client. Let's rename it to HTTP. Now HTTP dot get async. The URL is here. Wait. Response. So then ensure response dot ensure success status code. Now response here we have the result, and we need to return the result as a string. Let's return it. Let's go here and let's delete this nullable enable. The result variable, we are going to create it there, and we can return this result. Await response dot content read as string async. Yes. Task string. Okay, here we need to change this like this. So now we need we need to add this endpoint, this service to the dependency injection mechanism. So for doing that, let's see how to do it. Here I have the code to do this. Okay, builder.services. Builder.services. Add transient I dummy service. So to solve that problem, we need to implement this interface here. Now this problem is going to be fixed. Yes. Now we need to create a new controller here. Let's create a new one. Dummy controller. Let's copy from this other controller here. We need to inherit from controller. We are going to inject in the constructor the iDummy service. Here we need a private read-only iDummy service. Now we need an endpoint here. Public task iAction result get return await dummy service get. So let's return an OK response with the result in there. And the decorator for the root of this method will be dummy. All right, let's test. Here we have the endpoint. Now we can try it out, execute, and we have this result. So to check if this is right, we can copy this URL and we can try in the browser. So what is going on? Too many employees. All right. I don't know why it is not going well, but it doesn't matter because here we have all the records as expected. So, okay, this is enough for today. Goodbye.